To get started with scanning a QR code on the Shop app, you first need to ensure you have access to the platform. You can download the app from your preferred app store by searching for Shop app in the search bar. Once you have the app, you can browse through various categories, including clothing and accessories, and make purchases directly from the platform. However, at the time of this explanation, the Shop app does not have a feature that allows you to scan QR codes. This feature may be introduced in the future as innovations and updates become available. But for now, it is not possible. Instead, you can browse through the different product categories, make your selections, and complete your purchases. The app offers a wide range of items, including clothing, accessories, and products for babies, allowing you to make choices and complete your shopping experience.